What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a nice, quick, and easy video. How to replace your the lights in your trunk. I bought the endless RPM light set. I think it was maybe $45 for the entire car. So I got the two dome lights, door lights, the rear dome light, the reverse and tag lights, and the trunk light. And I must say it makes it look a lot better. So today I'm just going to show you just a quick little video, a little tip on how to do the back lights. All right, so it's pretty simple. So first I just start by taking out this little screw tabs right here. You just twist them out, pull, and don't drop them. And then you take your Phillips screwdriver, and there's these little tabs here that you can just screw out and get something pointy to just pry them out without dropping it or messing it up. I just dropped that one, but they come out pretty easy. So you don't, there's some down here. You don't have to take out all these that are down here. I'm just going to take out the ones that are at the top, just enough so I can pull down this top part, because the lights are just right here on the bottom part. So just do this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 there. Just do those 5. And then pull this little part off, and it should just come right down. So let me take the screws out real quick. All right, so I got those screws out. This little part here, it's kind of hard to pull over the latch, so don't be scared to pull on it pretty hard here and just get it loose, and then you should be able to access the trunk here. Okay, so I got that part pulled off, and then all you need is just to pull it down about this far. If you see that part in there, it's still intact. So you just have, right here is the one reverse light, of course the other one, and then 2 that are up here. Those are the tag lights. So all you do is just get it, turn it counterclockwise, and just pull it down. And there's your bulb. And then the same thing applies up here for the tag. You just twist. All right, so after you pull that little plug out, if you feel up there, there's 2 little squishy parts, like kind of like clip ends like that on this white part. You just squeeze them together, and it you can just pull it straight down. I can get my hand up there, but I need 2 hands for leverage. All right, there you go. So it's really simple. See this part right here? When it's in there, you just push that in just enough for that hook to get loose, and then there's your bulb right in there. So these are my endless RPM LEDs. Is how they come. You have the bigger ones here that are, of course, for the bigger light for the reverse. The smaller ones that go in the car, you definitely tell the difference, because these are a lot bigger. So in this, you just pull it out like so. These are good. I'll probably just keep those just in case. And let me take out one of these. All right, I got it out. All you do is just stick it. Mind you, I'm doing all this with one hand, so excuse the shakiness and the probably bad quality. But just snap it in there, you'll hear it. Snap right in. Like so. Voila. and then you just place it back in there, twist it the other way, and that side's done. There's the other side. Bulbs in there. Boom. Focus. If anyone wants to know the type of OEM bulb that's in there, is a Stanley 168. That's what it says on there. You can't see it, but that's what it says. Stanley 168. If you need the OEM, if you just replace them with OEM bulbs, then you need new bulbs. So that came out fairly easy. Let's pop the new one in. Put this side in. And now we have some nice lights. Alright, when you put them back in for the tag lights, you should see like the writing on this side should be facing you. And there's like double lip part. Make sure it's facing, when you put it in the trunk, it's facing you. Actually, you should be looking at it as you're putting it back in there. Sorry, once you're putting it back in there like this, it should go in like this, and you just squeeze the sides and just snap it back in place. And just like that, this side is completely done. Took about, with recording, it took like 5 minutes maybe, just to pull this down, pull out the lights, put the new ones in, put them back. So really nice and quick, easy upgrade. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I mean, it's daytime, but you should still be able to see some good lighting. All right, I just turned the lights on. Of course, it's daytime, but you see that those LED lights are gonna be bright. And I'll have to crank the car up to see the reverse lights, but that was a pretty easy install. Here are the door lights. Really super easy, took about 2 minutes to do. Just get those flathead, pop this off, pull out the old light bulb, put the new one in, get your LEDs. And for this light, all you do is just pry this down right here. Oh no, I'm sorry, not that. You just pry the light where you click the light at. You just get something that's tiny enough to pry that down on both sides. Pull the light bulbs out, stick the new ones in, put the plastic cover back on, and you have LED lights.